Hey everybody, I thought I'd add a read aloud to our time together today. I found the sunniest spot in my house, and I'm just soaking it all in and pretending I'm somewhere super warm. How about you guys? I'm reading another story by Mo Willems. I think we read it together once already, but I thought it wouldn't hurt to read it again. And it's called The Pigeon Wants a Puppy. Words and pictures by Mo Willems. So that means that he wrote the words in the story and he drew the pictures. Here's the title page. The Pigeon Wants a Puppy. Oh, hello. How are you? I'm fine. Thanks for asking. By the way, do you know what I want? What I've wanted forever? Well, at least since last Tuesday. A puppy! Puppy, 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 puppy. Oh, don't worry. I'll take care of it. I promise I'll water it once a month. That sounds funny. You don't water puppies. That's what you might do to a plant. And you would even water a plant more than once a month. What? Everybody knows that puppies need plenty of sunshine and water. Again, you guys, that's what you do to a plant, not a live animal. Oh, I get it. You don't want me to be happy, do you? You don't want me to take a piggyback ride on my puppy? Or play tennis with it? You just don't understand. I'm a puppy-loving pigeon. Oh, puppies. I want a puppy right here, right now. Look at, he's got the angry letters out. Woof. What was that? Woof, woof. Is it possible? Have my dreams come true? Woof. Ah! It's huge! The teeth, the hair, the wet nose, the slobber, the claws. I mentioned the teeth, right? Really, I had no idea. I've changed my mind. I want a walrus. And there's the back page. And then the boxes say, to pigeon, and inside it is one walrus. What a silly story. I loved it. Thanks for reading with me. We'll have another read aloud tomorrow. See you guys.